Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing ripe papaya because sweetness and texture determine shake quality. Add 1 cup cubed papaya to the blender, then pour 1/2 cup milk to control thickness. Add 1 tablespoon sweetener and 4-5 ice cubes for chill and dilution. Pulse once to break fruit fibers. This prevents air pockets and uneven blending. Once pulsed, scrape sides if needed, then blend at medium speed to form a homogeneous mix. Make sure the lid is tight to avoid spills while you continue. Now focus on texture and flavor balance because a silky mouthfeel sets a great milkshake apart. Blend 30-45 seconds on medium-high. Stop and check consistency. If too thick, add 2-3 tablespoon milk or a splash. If too thin, add 1/4 cup yogurt or extra papaya. Taste once done. A little acidity, like 1/2 tsp lemon, or a pinch of salt can lift sweetness and round flavor. Once satisfied, blend briefly to incorporate adjustments, then pour slowly to inspect consistency and foam level. Finish by pouring your papaya milkshake into a chilled glass to keep temperature stable. Garnish with mint or a few chopped papaya pieces for aroma and visual appeal. Serve immediately to enjoy peak texture, because sitting causes separation. If the shake is fibrous, strain through a fine sieve for a smoother result. If it splits or looks watery on top, reblend briefly or whisk in 1 tablespoon milk to re-emulsify. Make sure to taste one last time and adjust sweetener before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.